Hey campers, I came across some equipment that worked out really cool and I thought I'd let you know about it. So if you've got the Diliboz camping tripod, I think I've shown you that. There's a review on that somewhere else, but it's just a portable little metal tripod you can set up. You can put your pans on and cook on it and make a fire under it, or I set up something to hold coal under it here. But anyway, so besides fitting a 10-inch fry pan, you can also, I found this other grill. It's made by Char Broil. You've heard of them before, Char Broil. It's got a flat griddle on one side and it has the rib thing for steaks or burgers or whatever on the other. But here's what's really cool. This thing fits perfectly on here. It goes, put it a little closer, fits right inside that square. I'll give you a good view here. I mean, that is slick. Now I got myself a really quick griddle to set up. Or you can also put it on the other side and it fits inside this ring here, the square. It's got a little bit more thing going on because there's a little lip on this side, and it rides on top on these two and then down in these, so it's not perfectly flat like the other way, but it would work. And honestly, for myself, I'm not going to use this side as much as I am the griddle side. So if you already have this Char Broil, you might want to see about getting the Diliboz fire stand. Or if you have the fire stand and looking for what else to put on it, here's the Char Broil. I'll put the links down below in the description. And, hope you like the info. I'll talk to you later. Bye.